Yo fam, can a phone that's under $300 really flex with a killer camera and smooth AF performance? Sounds sus, right? Stick around till the end, because today we're figuring out if the Honor 400 Lite is or just hype. First up, peep this frame. Sleek like a classic smartphone from back in the day, but with a twist. That iris-shaped camera island. It's giving iPhone Pro feels, but with its own signature groove. At just 7.3mm thin and weighing 171 gr, it's a throwback to pocket-friendly gems, yet totally modern. Flip it on and bam! 6.7. AMOLED feels like a painting come to life. 93.7% screen-to-body ratio, 120 Hz refresh, and up to 3,500 nits brightness. No cap, outdoor scrolling is legit easy on the eyes. Hold up! What's this extra button? Honor calls it the AI camera button. Quick tap opens the cam, long press for video, and slide your finger for silky zoom. Press harder, autofocus activates. It's like a pressure-sensitive magic wand, or maybe a gimmick. We'll see. Under the hood, Dimensity 7025. Not the fastest beast, but day-to-day apps and light gaming. No cap, it handles them. 5,230 mAh battery with 35W charging. Good, but we deserve a bit more speed on that charge. Dual lens setup, 108MP main that lets you crop into 3x lossless zoom, plus a 5MP ultra-wide. Macro lovers might feel ghosted. No dedicated macro sensor here. Video maxes out at 1080p 30fps, so 4K? Nah, that's off the table. So here's the tea. For around $300, you get standout design, a stunning screen, and some neat AI-powered flair. But if you're chasing flagship-level speed, charging, or video chops, you might want to look elsewhere. What do you think? Does the Honor 400 Lite hit different, or is it just a budget poser? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.